Okay, got a piece of scrap wood, mark it there, put one mark here, there, line them up. Now let's go cut them. Okay, let's cut on the radial arm saw. Okay, now we're going to measure the exact center, or try to at least. Oops, may have missed that one, but that's okay. Okay. Now what's left is to paint it. Paint it white so it shows up under the light. Oops. Excuse me. Also, the painting will preserve the wood a little bit more. Well, I got this LED light from one of the big stores out here for under $1 to get this ready. Get this little tab here, pull it. It's ready to charge and put it in that little stand that we made. Well, this is the finished product. It's a pretty handy light. I like to put it on the areas where the stakes are on my tent, or to illuminate the path to the restrooms or whatever when I go camping. And it's pretty handy, and I just use it in the garden here, and obviously it does work.